Hello traders. Today we are looking at the MMXM indicator available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool is designed to visualize elements of the market maker model directly on your price chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, there we have it. On the chart, the MMXM indicator may highlight structural elements such as liquidity zones, order blocks, and displacement areas. These visual markings are based on the market maker model framework and help traders observe where the tool identifies significant structural features. The indicator automates the process of marking up these elements, which would otherwise need to be drawn manually. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The settings allow you to customize which structural elements the indicator displays, adjust the colors and styles of the markings, and set the look-back period for historical analysis. You can toggle individual features on or off to focus on the aspects most relevant to your study. As for who this indicator is for, the indicator is suited for traders studying the market maker model and related price action concepts. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. The interpretation of market maker activity is subjective, and not all marked zones reproduce significant price reactions. Always use additional analysis and proper risk management. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.